Here we come to another set of elevators at the Memorial Student Center at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This will be an updated take on these elevators here as well, and I'm using my camcorder this time because it's got much better lighting on this one. These elevators were newly installed. Here we are too. See Kyle Field over there. All right, let's go back down to 1. Anyways, I don't really usually film elevators like this one because they're all just stainless steel and everything like that. But since I already filmed like almost all the vintage elevators here on campus, I figured of doing these last because all the time I've been coming to College Station, I've mainly focused on the vintage elevators, so I didn't waste my time filming these ones. Oh, that fan turned on. All right, we'll go back down to 1 to end there. Listen to the brakes. I don't think the door close button works. Button goes out. And here we are. Alright, we're gonna watch it close, and to end the video, I'm gonna let you get a good view of Kyle Field. Alright. Now, as you see out there, I'm not gonna go outside, but see, that right there is Kyle Field. Look at that view of Kyle Field. It is beautiful out there. Alright, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.